Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Revisa Fitri, NPM 2341147, Management Class 23. Here I will explain its material regarding education, marking, and job promoting. This session theory is a branch of economics theory. Mathematics and social science it studies how individual or group make decisions in situations involving uncertainty and multiple choice. Its goal of decision theory is to provide a rational and system framework for dealing with problems. It requires choice between alternatives. Main concept 1. Decision under uncertainty. Decisions are made when it outcomes of each choice cannot be predicted with certainty, either due to random factors atau such as weather or information uncertainty. 2. Decision criteria. To choose among all its criteria or measures of success are such as maximizing profits, minimizing loss, or achieving its most satisfactory overall outcome. 3. Expert value theory. One of its main concepts in decision theory is expert value, which calculates its effort value of all visible outcomes by considering its probability of outcome occurring for decision-making models. Decision under risk in its case, in probability of its outcome is known and can be calculated. Decision under uncertainty are its probability of its outcome is unknown and must be dealt with assumed or seek overheads or curtailed assumptions. Utility function. This function describes how individuals access its benefit or observance of various visible outcomes. Utility theory is used to describe its preference of decision makers is choosing alternative. 6. Normative and descriptive approaches. Normative approach assumes its individuals make rational decisions based on mathematical calculation would achieve certain goals. Descriptive approach analyzes how individuals actually make decisions, including physiological factors, cognitive bias, or social influences. This may cause decisions to be less than fully rational. Types of decision. Individual decision made by an individual making a choice in a particular situation. For example, purchasing a product or deciding on investment. Group decision made by a group of people or organizations working together to make a decision. Decision under uncertainty. Decision made without grounding it access probabilities of visible outcomes. Decisions under risk. Decisions taken when its probabilities of visible outcomes are clearly low. Components. Alternatives. It is available to the decision maker. Outcomes. What will happen if a particular alternative is chosen? Probability. It takes hold of a particular outcome occurring in its context of risk. Decision criteria. Its standard of objectives assumed to upload alternatives. Decision making process. 1. Problem identification. Recognizing a problem or need for a decision. Information gathering. Gathering relevant data for its alternative. 3. alternative evaluation. Assessing arts alternative based on specific criteria. 4. Alternative selection/testing it based. Alternative basis on evaluation. Decision implementation it cost decision. Result importance assessing it result of its decision take to see if it objective or as history. Decision marking theories and models. Rational normative model. This model assessments its decision markers of rational and age to maximize utility of profit. Decisions are made by projecting its best outcome based on its information available. Model deskriptif. Model ini melihat bagaimana orang benar-benar membuat keputusan, termasuk pengaruh biasa, kognitif, emosi, atau pengaruh sosial. Misalnya penggunaan heuristik atau aturan praktis dalam membuat keputusan yang terkadang dimana mengarah pada keputusan yang tidak sepenuhnya rasional. Approaches in decision theory. Decision under risk. Under risk is probability of its alternative outcome is known, and the decision maker can calculate its affects flow. Decisions are based on a conversion of its expected value of its various alternatives. Decision under uncertainty. In a state of uncertainty, its probability of outcome is unknown. Bias in decision making. Technologically, many decisions are influenced by various cognitive biases. It causes decisions to not always be rational, such as confirmation bias. It tendency to seek or interpret information that conflicts existing beliefs. Overconfidence bias. It tendency to be overconfident in our abilities or presentation. Framing effects. It influences of how a problem or case is presented on its decision made. Loss aversion. Decision making defined by its form of loss outweighing potential gains. Application of decision theory. Economists to model compensation and investment crisis management in strategic corporate decisions such as resource allocation or new product development. It government decision making regarding policies of general execution. Technology to understand how individuals and groups make decisions in various situations. Medical intelligence decision market refers to patent their bodies, sense, and treatment. Decision theory is a branch of science. It studies how individuals form groups, make rational choices in situations of uncertainty, considering various alternatives and their possible consequences. In this theory, decisions are made based on an evaluation of possible outcomes, and the shared plus conciliation decision theory helps in formulating its best way to course alternatives by minimizing risk and maximizing benefit or desired outcomes, both in its concept of individuals, organizations, and in decision making at its macroeconomic and social level. Itulah teori yang tadi saya sampaikan mengenai teori keputusan, dan apabila ada kesalahan saya mohon maaf dan saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.